Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use ultramarine color. The next one is yellow color. Kids, now we use black color. The next one is green color. And now we use red color. Kids, now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use ultramarine color and draw the alphabet of A. First we draw alphabets and use ultramarine color. Kids, A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw the letter of B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw the letter of C. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the letter of E. E for egg, E for elephant. We again use ultramarine color. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we use yellow color. Now we use yellow color and draw the letter of F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. We again use yellow color and draw the letter of G. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the letter of H. And the next one is I. I for ice cream. And now we draw J. J for jackfruit. Kids, now we use black color and draw J. Now we use black color and draw J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. Now we draw the letter of K. The next one is L. L for lion. And now we draw M. M for mango. We again use black color and now we draw N. N for nose. The next one is O. Kids, now we draw O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. Now we draw the letter of R. R for rose. Green color. Now we use green color and draw R. R for rose. The next one is S. S for sun. We again use green color and now we draw the letter of T. T for teacher. The next one is U. U for umbrella. And now we draw the letter of V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. Now we use red color and draw W. Now we use red color Red color. The letter of W. W for wolf. And the next one is X. X for X-ray. We again use red color and now we draw Y. Now we draw the letter of Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use ultramarine color and draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 2. T-W-O, 2. And the next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. Now we draw the number of 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we draw 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we use yellow color. The number of 7. And the next one is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Kids, now we draw 9. We again use yellow color. Now we draw the number of 9 and use yellow color. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.